In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an impressive and fully functional party rental website using Wix. If you've thought about setting up a site to showcase your party rental business and attract more customers, you're in the right place. So let's get started. To begin with, open Chrome and navigate to Wix.com. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, Wix offers you a variety of templates to choose from. Since we're focusing on a party rental business, you'll want to select a template that suits this niche. Browse through the options and pick the one that best represents the fun, excitement, and creativity of your rental service. Once you've made your choice, it's time to move on to customization. Customizing your template is where you can really make your website shine. Start by focusing on the pages that showcase the rental items and pricing. Think about the different types of equipment or decorations you offer and how best to present these to potential customers. Make sure the text is clear and the prices are visible and easy to understand. A well-organized page will guide your visitors effortlessly through your offerings. Next, it's essential to make it convenient for customers to book your services. Consider adding booking forms or contact forms. These forms will allow visitors to either book directly or get in touch with you for more information. Clearly label these forms so visitors know exactly how to proceed. Keep them user-friendly by asking only for necessary information, ensuring visitors aren't overwhelmed with requests for too much detail. With functionality in place, turn your attention to visuals. High-quality images are your best friend here. They can convey the excitement and ambiance your services provide far better than words alone. Upload clear, vibrant photos that highlight your products in action at an event. This is a chance to impress upon potential customers the quality and professionalism of your offerings. Remember, images should not only look good but load quickly, so ensure they are optimized for web use. Finally, once your website is all set up and looks exactly as you envisioned, it's time to publish it. With a click of a button, your site goes live to the world. But don't stop there. To really kick things off, promote your website to attract customers. Share it through social media channels, add it to your business cards, and consider reaching out to local event planners who might help you network within their circles. Consistent promotion ensures that you reach a broad audience and draw in the clientele you're hoping for. By following these steps, you'll have created a party rental website that's sure to capture attention and generate interest. Good luck with your business endeavor, and may your rental service thrive through your new and exciting online presence.